Hey guys, thank you for coming to my channel. My name is Stephanie, and you know my brand name is Vassiani. So you know when I started on Etsy, um, doing dancewear, and I remember I was just doing the dancewear and then putting out, like the the Chanel and the Gucci and the Louis Vuitton, and then I got an infringement. And I was like, ooh, because I didn't know. What you kind of know, but taking chances, taking risk. So, guys, if you're on Etsy, Shopify, Wix, those platforms, don't do it. Okay. Um, so what I did was I got my own brand made because I have no time for those people. Well, it's their brand, and I understand the behind it that they work hard to maintain their their brand name, and they don't want other people using their brand name. So I do still get girls who ask for these, and I don't have as much like first time. I literally have like couple left, but I did not buy anymore. I stopped. Um, I stopped buying the brands, um, because I just didn't want. I just wanted my name. I think my name is beautiful. So I know my name is beautiful. Okay. If it, and so, sometimes the girls are saying what Vassier, and I said if you can't say Versace, Moschino, okay, Louis Vuitton, and all them name, you can say Bassiani. All right, so that's me. Um, so today I have some pineapple. Yes, and I'm going to be doing a one piece. I haven't done a one piece with you guys like this, like a one piece with the barcode. And I'm going to do it because, no, I changed my mind. I'm going to do a two piece because I want you guys to see the whole thing, what I do. Okay, so I'm going to be doing a two piece here, this and this. Okay. Now, this is one of the way you can do it, but I barely make panties like this, okay? I normally want to add value because I want to demand a certain amount of money. So I'll never do this. So this is what I do. I'm not even using fold over elastic because it's better. I found that when I use the fabric itself, it's way prettier. Push this through first and push this through. And we're going to push this through, okay? The control is better. See? And I take off some of it. This is really long. I don't throw this away. I use them for later. So this you can control better because you can't control it with this. This you can either make it tighter, you can scrunch it in, or you can move it out. So a little better to me. You can put an ender on here. I do is tie mine. Okay, let us finish this one up. So this is way too long. So let's do this one. There you are. So it lasts a little bit longer. The string lasts way longer because the elastic, after a while, it just stretch right out, you know. You have a little bit more control. If you want it to stay on the body, you can just tie it, okay. Here you can put it as full if you want, or if you want, you can make it as narrow as possible, okay. So this is my pineapple. My pineapple. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some rhinestones on it and then show you the finished product. Okay, guys? Hey guys, so it's finished, and as you can see, all I did was change out the elastic to a self, and it's a four-way stretch fabric so that you can tie it at the side. And I also trim it, and I also add rhinestone for added value, and it lasts longer. Okay. Also, you can just choose any. My pattern with the pineapple, it have pink, white, green, and black. So I use the black. I could have used the white. The white would have looked beautiful. The pink would have looked beautiful. The green would have looked beautiful. And change it up. Okay, change it up and trim it differently, so that you have different stuff that you can have in your collection. Guys, remember, please do not use the designer fabric, because I'm telling you, if you put it on those websites, they're gonna block you and you can't get to sell on those websites. So if you can just try to avoid it as possible, you know, because I'm telling you, I've gotten a couple infringement letters, so I had to stop doing that. Okay, guys, so just make sure, you know, work on your craft, take time with your sewing, take time with your pattern making. All right. Thank you for your subscription. Thanks for the new one and the old one. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you guys. Bye.